Arian, magay ka. Hi! So, ayun. So, hello. Today is January 6. Currently 5:15 p.m. So, we're currently inside. Oh, sorry. It's January 7 pala. January 7 at 5:15 p.m. So, we're currently testing the Mirage 2017, which was originally purchased back in 2018. So the reason why na kinuha namin yung top of the line kasi actually manual driver si Mrs. Manual driver din ako. Sa kanya rin ako natuto fully na mag-drive. So been driving for I don't know how many years now. So ayun, so let's explore this car. So if you're going to see, we have a touchscreen monitor here. It's all digital. So yeah, you can. Okay, and then we also have a GPS if you're going to see here. So this is a real-time GPS which napakinabangan naman namin ever since. So meron siyang SIM sa loob. And if you're going to see Del Carmen, which is tama naman, we're really here. So ayun. So if you're going to check yung menu niya, you can put in here. Halimbawa, if you wanna go to Calcutta, and then you put in go, and then you go return. So sasabihin naman niya kung saan. So halimbawa, tingnan natin yung fastest routing siya. And it's going to give you the exact location where the hospital is, which is Calcutta. And you just have to click on menu again, just go back, and you can choose any menu that you like. Okay, so currently running at 45 odometer, 45,000 odometer. So we're going to do the test drive now. Ayan. So hello there. So if you're going to see, Aureon is also here. Sabi mo, hi Aureon. Sabi mo, pogi ka. Sabi mo. Sit tight, Aureon. Okay. So ayun. So hindi ako nagkaroon ng chance na reviewin to dati because ayun na nga. So naging naging busy rin kami honestly. And now we're putting up the car for sale dahil we've already upgraded to the Expander 2023. So yeah. And since we're already a family of 5, andyan na si Gianna, our daughter. So 5 na kami. So talagang hindi na kami kasya dito. But in reality naman kasi if you're going to be more practical kasi you would want you would want your family na comfortable sila sa mga seats nila whenever you're traveling. So ayun, nasasanay na si Gianna dun sa car seat niya. Si Aureon, alam niya na yung pwesto niya dun sa Expander. Tapos si Yale, meron din booster si Yale, but now kasi pabinata na si Yale, baka in a year or 2 hindi na rin mag-booster yan kasi malaki na siya, malapit na talaga siya sa height ko. I think he's already more than 5 feet tall. So dito tayo sa playground ngayon. So we're going to check some of the exterior of this amazing car that we had for more than 5 years na rin honestly kasi it was fully paid noong 2023 last year of September. So we opted to have the Bayanihan Act during COVID, kaya medyo na-delay siya ng 6 months. 3 months pala. 3 months lang. Sorry naman. So ayun, so lalabas lang tayo. So Aureon, dyan ka lang, no? So if we're going to check the seat cover, it was already changed to black red leather seats. Kasi hindi siya leather dati when we purchased it. I think it was just a cream tone na leather seats. So makikita niyo super linis ng likod. So
Malinis na.
ayan. Sabi ko ibaba mo yung bintana. So there, all clean. By the way, this one, medyo may ano lang sa likod, but that's very fixable naman.
Fixable?
Okay. So very clean as you can see. Hi, Orion. Lipat ka na dito, Orion. Okay, so lights there. So that's the first beam, and that's the second beam. So if you're going to check, it's working. There you go. And then aircon. So actually ngayon sobrang lamig kami. Lamig kami.
Hindi.
So everything is working. So bigla siya lumig. Tinakpan na ni Orion. So temperature. And it's also working everything. So there, that's about it for the Mitsubishi Mirage G4 GLS 2017. This is the manual version that we purchased kasi nga yun, para tipid sa gas. Honestly, I think yung 1,000 pesos you're only driving within the city, super tipid niya po. But if you are if you're taking a trip outside the city or to another place, I think that's going to be like I think you need more than 1,000 pesos. So yun. So ever since Orion was born kasi dati, so we got he was born 2016, and then a few years after, mga 2018, we purchased this one and we sold off our, actually it was a company car, which is a Vios 2016 ata yun, or 2015, I remember. Kasi nga that's really not my car, kasi company car yun, bigay yun dati na LBC sa akin. So if I would have stayed in company for like 5 years, I can purchase it in a 10% market price, pero I opted not to stay anymore dahil nga ayun, dahil ang hirap talaga ng to try to go to that status quo in, you know, and staying, dahil ang hirap talagang bumiyahe araw-araw. And I think it, you know, I'm traveling alone and then working in a logistics company. I think it was really not cup of my tea anymore during that time. So I opted to stay at home and work from home. And ever since, actually nag-work din naman ako on site for more than 2 years. However, when COVID happened, I think that was the time that I realized na talagang you know, working on site, traveling by myself, nagpapagas ka lagi, I think it was not really for me anymore. It was really not meant for me anymore. So that's the reason why na now I'm working from home. And honestly, yung expander nga, magto 2 years na yung expander namin this 2024 August, and right now hindi siya it's currently at 10,200 km pa lang. So thank you for watching this video, and I really appreciate you listening. So if you have any questions, if you have any inquiries about this unit, feel free to drop us a message in Facebook, or you can post your questions sa YouTube, here in our YouTube channel. So thank you so much. Have a great day. I'm Orion. Bye-bye ka na.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Thank you. Bye.